Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fitri Rahmawati. I'm from Physics Education Department, Master Program of 11 Maret University. I will present the results of my research on need analysis of physics a module based on hybrid problem-based learning model toward the improvement of critical thinking skill. Research background. First, education in Indonesia is currently in the era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0, the era of technology-oriented human life. The characteristics of basic learning in the revolutionary era 4.0 are known as 4C include communication, collaboration, critical thinking and problem solving, creativity and innovation. A module or electronic module is a teaching material that utilizes technology to support the learning process. The problem-based learning model can improve student critical thinking skill on physics material. In its implementation, the problem-based learning model found several problems such as low student initiative and inadequate problem design. So that many research support PBL as a complement to the lecture method. This hybrid problem-based learning model can help with the transition from traditional lecture to a model based primarily on a student-centered approach. Method: descriptive research using qualitative data analysis. The sample in this study involved 14 high school physics teachers in several regions in Indonesia and 36 students from a state high school in Sragen. The questionnaire given has a Goodman scale rating type with yes and no answer option. Research and discussion. The result of the questionnaire analysis of teacher needs about the physics a module based on hybrid problem-based learning. Indicator. The lecturing method helps students to understand the concept of physics easier. Response frequency yes, 57.1%. Response frequency no, 42.9%. The implementation of problem-based learning model relates the everyday phenomenon in physics learning. Response frequency yes, 85.7%, and response frequency no, 14.3%. Teacher has ever implement hybrid problem-based learning model in physics learning. Response frequency yes, 57.1%, 42.9%. Hybrid problem-based learning model can be implemented in the learning of physics. Response frequency yes, 100%. Teacher need teaching material that support the physics learning. Response frequency yes, 92.9% and no, 7.1%. Teacher needs picture, videos, animation, and simulation in the process of teaching physics. Response frequency yes, 100%, and response frequency no, 0%. The availability of physics a module at school. Response frequency yes, 35.7%, and response frequency no, 64.3%. The physics teaching material support the student critical thinking skill. Response frequency yes, 42.9%, and response frequency now 57.1%. Difficult to teach, difficult to teach critical thinking skill. Response frequency yes 57.1%, and response frequency no 42.9%. The result of the questionnaire analysis of student need about the physics module based on hybrid problem-based learning indicator difficult in learning physics, response frequency yes, active 86.5%, and response frequency no 13.5%. Having textbook or other supporting books to learn physics, response frequency yes 73%, and response frequency no 27%. Having basic modules, response frequency yes 45.9%, and response frequency no 54.1%. Excited to learn physics with teaching material consists picture, videos, animation, and simulation. Response frequency yes 86.5%, and response frequency now 13.5%. Interest in learning physics involving surrounding problems. Response frequency yes 94.6%, and response frequency now 5.4%. Difficult in explaining simple concept. Response frequency yes 54.1%, and response frequency now 45.9%. Learning basic skill with observing and considering the research. Response frequency yes 86.5%, and response frequency now 13.5%. Difficult to define basic concept 62.2%, and response frequency now 37.8%. Arranging an experiment to prove a physics statement. Response frequency yes 35.1%, and response frequency now 64.9%. Okay, discussion. The finding of this study indicate that both teacher and student need a hybrid problem-based learning based physics module to improve critical thinking skill. This a module combine the learning stage of the problem-based learning model with the lecture method. In addition, the module to be developed in accordance with the results of the questionnaire is capable of displaying image, animation, and simulation. Okay, uh, con- conclusion about my research. Based on the finding made by the research, it can be concluded that teacher and student need basic teaching material that are able to display image, animation, videos, and simulation, and which can improve student critical thinking skill. Therefore, it is necessary to develop teaching material in the form of a modules based on the hybrid problem-based learning model. Okay, thank you for attention. If any question, they are welcome. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.